Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to hand-rear a cockatiel parrot. First, gather your essential supplies, including a quality hand-feeding formula, appropriate feeding syringes, and a reliable brooder. The brooder is crucial for maintaining a stable, warm environment for the chick. Make sure it can hold a consistent temperature, ideally between 90 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, to keep your little one comfortable and healthy. Next, let's prepare the formula. Mix the powdered formula with warm water, following the package instructions, until it's a smooth, lump-free consistency. It's vital to check the temperature of the mixed formula. It should be around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, never too hot or too cold. When feeding, use a syringe and offer small amounts, allowing the chick to swallow completely before giving more. This prevents aspiration and ensures safe feeding. Maintaining proper temperature and hygiene is paramount for a healthy chick. Continuously monitor the brooder temperature, gradually reducing it as the chick develops and feathers grow in. After every feeding, meticulously clean all feeding utensils with hot, soapy water to prevent any bacterial contamination. Regularly change the bedding in the brooder to keep the environment clean and dry, which is essential for preventing illness. As your cockatiel chick grows, it's time to begin the weaning process. Start by offering small amounts of soft, solid foods like soaked pellets or cooked vegetables alongside formula feedings. Gradually decrease the number of formula feedings as you observe the chick eating more solid food on its own. Encourage exploration and provide toys to help your young cockatiel develop confidence and independence, preparing it for a happy, healthy life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.